Hello and welcome everyone. Today you will see how you can use the WBS Magic Tool to prepare and design the WBS for 100 building and export this WBS directly to Primavera in a few minutes. This is the third video about the WBS Magic Tool examples. We will start with the project name at the first column and the first row. This is our project. Under the project name it will be the mobilization and then construction. Under construction we have 6 zones. Each zone has some buildings, and then it will be the external works. Under the external works we have water supply, drainage and power supply. Under the power supply works we have cables, street poles, panel boards and transformers, and then it will be the road works, and the last WBS code, the landscape works. This is the main WBS of this project. You can change it according to the requirements of your project, but you must keep the rules of the WBS Magic Tool. Don't leave any column blank and don't leave any row blank. The main WBS must be connected, and each row should have only one WBS code, as you see in this WBS for this project. We will use the features of the WBS Magic Tool to repeat this WBS for these 100 building. We have here in these 6 zones 100 building, and we will use these 6 codes to connect the WBS of these 100 building with the main WBS network. We will copy these 6 codes and use one loop of the WBS Magic Tool. From this option we can add one loop, and then we will copy the zones here. This is zone number 1. It has 10 buildings. After that, zone number 2, it has 15 buildings. And then zone number 3, it has 22 buildings. After it, we have zone number 4, it has 13 buildings. And then zone number 5, it has 22 buildings. And the last one, zone number 6, it has 18 buildings. The WBS Magic Tool will use these codes to connect the WBS of these 100 buildings with the main WBS in the main network. As you see, the WBS of these 10 buildings will be joined with this WBS code, and the WBS of these 15 buildings will be joined with this WBS code, and so on. And after that, these WBS codes will be connected with the main WBS code of this project in this part of the main WBS. What is the WBS of these buildings? In this example, we will suppose that the WBS of these 100 buildings will be the same, and you can add more loops, and you can change the WBS of each zone, but in this example we will suppose that we have the same WBS. The WBS will start from column number 3 under the same rules. Don't leave any column blank and don't leave any row blank. Your WBS must be connected. The WBS of each building will start with the substructure. Under the substructure you have the earthworks and then concrete works. then plain concrete and concrete footings. After that it will be the insulation works, and after that will be the sober structure. Under the sober structure we have masonry, concrete for the columns and slabs. Under the reinforced concrete we have first stage, it has columns and stairs, and then second stage it has beams and slabs. After that it will be the finishes. Under finishes we have plaster, walls and floors, and then windows and doors. Under windows we have 3 WBS codes: aluminum, steel and wooden. After that will be stairs, and then painting works. It will be internal and external. Then insulation works, electrical works, first stage and second stage. Then mechanical works, first stage and second stage. And the last one will be the roof works. This is the WBS of each building, and you will repeat this WBS 100 times to cover the 100 buildings, and then it will be joined with the main WBS. Let us start to see this WBS as chart, and then we will export it directly to Primavera. Let us start with the WBS as charts from this option. As you see, the WBS as chart has been prepared, and you should review it before you export it to Primavera. Let us review the WBS. As you see, it starts with the project name, and then the main WBS codes, mobilization and construction. Under construction we have zone number 1, and under zone number 1 it will be zone number 2, and so on. Zone number 1 has 10 buildings. This is building number 1, and this is the WBS of building number 1. After it, it will be building number 2, and so on. Zone 1, building number 6, and so on. We have 10 buildings in zone number 1. Then zone number 2 starts here, building number 1 in zone number 2, and so on until the last WBS codes, external works. It has these WBS codes, and then the last 2 WBS codes, roads works and landscape works. Now we will export this WBS to Primavera. Let us use this option to prepare the XCR file. Let us select this option. As you see, the WBS is ready to be exported to Primavera. We will go to Primavera and import this project. Let us search for this file. It will be on the desktop. As you see, this is our project. Open. Let us see. We should select project, then next, 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 and the project will be imported to Primavera. As you see, this WBS has taken only a few minutes to be prepared, and then we imported it to Primavera. Okay, let us see this WBS in Primavera. This is our WBS, the same WBS as we have designed it in Excel. As you see, these are the last WBS codes. Let us see this WBS in activities zone. As you see, this is our WBS. It starts with mobilization and then construction, zone number 1. After that, building number 1, and then substructure, sober structure, and then finishes works. These are the finishes works, and these are the sub WBS codes under the main WBS code. It takes a few minutes to prepare this WBS and export it to Primavera, more than 3,000 WBS. Until we meet in the next videos, thank you and goodbye.